Hey folks, good morning. Jim Cowden here from YCG. So we just got in our bulletproof seat cover from Armor Upfitters. We're gonna have an open house on March 17 and 18. You can go to our website, the-ycg.com, and register. So we just got this in. We're gonna be demonstrating them and a whole line of products, including curtains, shields, on those days. So register and come see us. But this, if you're seated in your vehicle, is a personal protection item that you can pull around and have a shield right in your car. It's a level 3A shield. And today, we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick demonstration and maybe shoot it with a 45 ACP 230 grain round. So let's go ahead and take a shot at it. Going hot. Going hot. Clear? So we can see our round right here. No penetration, no mark in the back. Go to the-ycg.com, register, come see us for a live shoot of this product and many more on March 17th and 18th. See you then.